So it's been 2 days. Let's take a look at the Bulbasaur. This is the back. Let's get the light on it. You can still see the crease. Less noticeable. It's got the warp, but we flatten it, and the front side. That major crease right there is there, but not as bad. So, steam iron, damp paper bag, pressed it in between a couple books, and then I hit it with a rubber massage ball roller. And that's it. No humidor, no hard care stuff, no nothing. Ba-dow. I will put it before and after. Let me know what you think.